You want to make more money, you want your business to grow, literally explode. Let me tell you a secret right now, and let me use this little pen right here to illustrate it. All right, let's say you were at a garage sale and you saw this pen right there at a table. How much would it be worth? 5 cents, 50 cents, 10 cents? Let's say the same pen was now sitting at Staples or Office Depot next to like 14 other colors of the same pen. Now how much is this pen worth? A buck? $5? Now let's say it's a Sotheby's auction. This pen is sitting in a glass case. There's somebody with a tuxedo on and white gloves. Lot number 475. How much is the pen worth now? $100? $300? Here's my point. I can't think of a better way of illustrating this. It's the same damn pen. Why I want to tell you this is whatever it is that you're selling, whether it's yourself, whether it's your services, your business, there's other people out there, countless other people selling the exact same thing you are. Here's what matters: the surroundings. The garage sale versus the Staples versus the Sotheby's auction. Yet nobody is focusing on how can I be different? How can my presentation be different? How can I act differently? What questions can I ask that are different than my competition? We're all focused on our pen, which is the same that everybody else is selling. Focus on everything else, your business, it's gonna explode.